how loud for the moon. Am I reaching out for you underground? Am I allowed? But somehow for you and I distress, as long as no one asks what this really feels like inside out. They never would have guessed we really did our best to make the story last. But I know that you are just an echo from below, and I hear you come through my dreams and tell me something sweet, and that's all that I need. Lost in tall grass, souls in the soil. How you understand me for me, made up of glass from water and oil, slipping like sand. But I know that you are just an echo from below, and I hear you come through my dreams and tell me something sweet, and that's all that I need from you. And all I ask is for you to do your best to make this story last. And somehow for you and I this trust, as long as no one asks what this really feels like in our world.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.